Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This opens your account setting. Tap link bank or linked account. Here you will see an card or bank already connected to your Cash App. Tap add debit card. Now enter your debit card details, card number, expire date, CVV code. Make sure the information is correct. Tap add card or confirm. The Cash App will send a verification message for asking for extra confirmation. Once verified, your debit card will be linked. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.